You got the cheese?
Yep. We've always enjoyed cooking together, but it wasn't fun when you can't enjoy what you're cooking because you're in pain, you know?
I think this was the most excruciating pain I've ever had in my whole life. I mean, it was zapping, lightning pain on the right side of my face, my jaw, my mouth, everything.
It was heartbreaking for her. It was heartbreaking for me to A, watch it, and B, see her be a different person, it wasn't the real Michelle. So the opportunity to visit Hopkins was exciting as brain surgery can be. It offered hope.
So trigeminal neuralgia is facial pain that affects one half of the face that's classically described as sharp, stabbing, electrical pain. The cause of trigeminal neuralgia is often by something that causes irritation or inflammation of the trigeminal nerve. The trigeminal nerve is the nerve that controls all the sensation to one half of the face. The pain tends to be episodic, meaning it comes and goes.
Before Scott discovered Hopkins, I was having breakthrough pain at work while I was on medication, and I literally couldn't speak, like, to my bosses, to my coworkers.
We know that for some individuals, medications are ineffective and/or cause too many side effects.
Medication wasn't working for me. It might work for some people, but it wasn't working for me.
There are many treatment options for trigeminal neuralgia. The one that tends to be the longest lasting is called a microvascular decompression. Microvascular decompression is a surgery that we used to separate a blood vessel that's compressing the trigeminal nerve. In order to do the surgery, we make a small incision behind the ear, make a small opening in the skull, identify the trigeminal nerve, and under the microscope, slip small cushions made of Teflon to decompress the blood vessel from the nerve. The microvascular decompression surgery takes approximately 2 to 3 hours to complete, and with this procedure, the vast majority of individuals get long-lasting pain relief. For 20 years or more, individuals can be free of their trigeminal pain.
Since the surgery, I've been able to resume my normal life. I went back to work 6 weeks later. I've been able to play sports, I've been able to cook with my husband, ride a bike, things that I would never do before. I still can't believe that I had brain surgery. I can't believe I went through it. I can't believe it was me. I don't know where I would be if I hadn't had the surgery. I think they saved my life.